Hello guys, this here is my 1990 Chevy 1500 pickup Z71 single cab stepside. I got this thing last month for $1,600. It was a very good deal for an awesome truck. Show you guys the inside. Okay interior. The seats are pretty bad, but I'll just throw a seat cover over that. Nothing back here right now, but there will be. This is a 5.7 350 engine. It's actually really clean for sitting, for being that old. It was sitting for a while. The guy I bought it from another guy. I was flushing out the radiator the other day, so you probably won't see this right here. It's actually over here, but gotta replace that. This is just a makeshift battery. The original one actually went out, so I gotta get it recharged. It's pretty clean. Just gotta clean it up a little bit more, but it runs and drives pretty good. I turned it on for you guys, but like I said, it's not the right battery, so I had to makeshift it to turn it on. But yeah. Put it in an aftermarket stereo. It's a Boss stereo. It's actually a pretty good deal. Gotta put a dash cover on. Dash was in pretty good condition. I don't want to ruin it. I did these door handles, the inside and the outside. It was kind of a pain in the butt because you have to take all this off and go in there, and the metal rivets don't help in there either. But I did it. Works pretty good. So, yeah. Here's my 1990 K1500 Chevy pickup, 4-wheel drive Z71.